Kreg has a way of turning tricky woodworking steps into something simple, and today's lineup proves it. We're looking at 20 Kreg tools that can genuinely change how you build, measure, and join your projects. If you've ever struggled with clean pocket holes, accurate cuts, or solid joints, these tools can take a lot of that frustration off your plate. Whether you're new to woodworking or already deep into the craft, Kreg has something that will make your work smoother and more consistent. Let's take a look at the tools that can upgrade your projects right away. When your project calls for clean, accurate holes, having steady control makes all the difference. The Kreg Drill Guide Pro gives you portable drill press precision with any drill that uses a 3/8-inch chuck. You can set and lock angles from -45 to 45 degrees with quick, easy angle adjustment. The integrated depth stop keeps every hole consistent, while the convenient handle and Grip Max non-slip feet hold the guide firmly in place. At 90 degrees, the dust collection adapter connects to a 1¼ inch vacuum hose to keep debris under control. A centering guide helps with narrow stock, and the built-in V-groove keeps round pieces from rolling. It's used for confident, accurate drilling across all kinds of projects. When you're updating cabinets, placing each handle accurately saves time and prevents costly redo work. The Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro gives you that control with an extra large capacity that handles pulls up to 38 inches center to center. Patent-pending 2 points of contact keep the jig steady, while repeatable stops remove the need to measure every drawer or door. Its modular design lets you work on small knobs or wide pulls without using the full jig. Movable drill guides position 3-hole handles perfectly, and the reversible setup works for right or left swing doors. Depth stops center hardware on drawers up to 16 inches tall. It's used for fast, precise cabinet hardware installation every time. Precise fastening becomes much easier when you have strong power and smooth control in one tool. The Kreg Impact Driver packs performance into a compact 4.4-inch body that reaches tight spaces with ease. It delivers 2,200 inch-pounds of torque and gives you 3 speed settings for versatility. Assist mode helps prevent overdriving in softwoods and plywood, while the variable speed trigger lets you fine-tune every drive. Reverse assist mode protects screw heads by pulsing before removal. A Quick Connect hex chuck supports fast bit changes, and the all-metal 1/4-inch hex collet offers dependable strength. An integrated LED light brightens dark areas. It's used for powerful, controlled fastening across woodworking and heavy-duty tasks. Accurate, clean cuts are essential for any woodworking or home improvement project. The Kreg Circular Saw combines power and precision in a compact design, featuring a brushless motor and an included premium 36-tooth blade for high-quality cuts with plenty of torque. Depth indicators allow quick adjustments, while the auxiliary handle improves control. The soft start motor reduces kickback, and the electronic blade brake stops the blade quickly. It cuts 2x4s, plywood, trim, and more with a maximum 1 11/16 depth at 90 degrees, and offers 0 to 45 degree bevel capacity. An all-metal base ensures durability, LED lights improve visibility, an integrated 1 1/4-inch vacuum port manages dust, and onboard tool storage keeps the Allen wrench handy. It's used for precise, efficient cutting across a variety of materials. Precision and control are key when working on detailed woodworking projects. The Kreg Trim Router is a 1/4-inch cordless tool designed for micro-precise trimming, shaping, and edge work. It features smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment, variable speed settings from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, and a soft start motor for controlled operation. Dual LEDs and a clear base plate improve visibility, while the integrated 1 1/4-inch vacuum port manages dust. The router accepts bits up to 1 3/8 inches and includes 1/4-inch and 6mm collas. Its die-cast base, metal motor housing, rubberized grip, quick release base, and shaft lock button ensure durability, versatility, and easy maneuvering. It's used for detailed, accurate woodworking with clean results. Strong, precise joints are essential for durable, professional-looking woodworking. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit makes dowel joinery simple and accurate by helping you align and drill holes for cylindrical wooden pins or dowels. These dowels create hidden connections that improve alignment, increase joint strength, and give a clean finish. Engineered for corner joints, edge joints, miter joints, cabinets, furniture, and repairs, the jig features built-in reference lines for easy marking. Alignment pins ensure consistent spacing and perfect placement, while corner alignment pin slots simplify face frame connections. It's used for crafting precise, durable dowel joints that enhance both the strength and appearance of woodworking projects. Smooth. Even surfaces are essential for professional quality woodworking and finishing. The Kreg Random Orbit Sander delivers precision and power for effortless sanding on every surface. Its 5-inch hook and loop sanding pad with 8 holes allows fast grit changes, while variable speed settings from 6,000 to 12,000 OPM give controlled material removal and a smooth finish. The 3/32-inch Orbit ensures efficiency, and the soft start motor with sanding pad brake provides greater control. An ergonomic grip with multiple hand positions, a balanced fan, and a pad seal reduces fatigue. The integrated 1 1/4-inch dust port with removable dust bag keeps workspaces clean and sealed. Dust-resistant buttons ensure long-lasting durability. It's used for fast, precise sanding on wood, metal, and more. Precision and versatility are essential when tackling multiple tasks in woodworking or home improvement. The Kreg Oscillating Multi-Tool is an incredibly versatile tool designed for a wide range of applications. It offers variable speed settings from 7,000 to 17,000 OPM, trigger-style operation with a lock-on button, and a vibration-damping design with metal housing and gearing for smoother, more comfortable use. The tool accepts both open and closed-back universal blades, and its toolless blade change system allows fast swaps. Sturdy metal construction ensures long-lasting reliability, while an integrated LED light improves visibility in tight or dark spaces. It's used for precise cutting, sanding, scraping, and detailed work across tough jobs. Achieving perfectly aligned, strong joints is essential for precise woodworking projects. The Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig simplifies creating mortises for loose tenon joinery with adjustable stops that let you control the size of each mortise. Using the included Allen wrench, you can dial in the stops for snug press-fit joints, or allow a little side-to-side play for easier alignment. Adding spacers speeds up repetitive tasks, letting you slide workpieces into place quickly. The plywood platform allows secure attachment of blocks with screws or tape, making setup flexible and stable. It's used for producing accurate, consistent mortises for loose tenon joints in frames, boxes, and other woodworking assemblies. Reliable, strong clamping is essential for precise assembly and glue-ups. The Kreg VersaGrip clamps deliver 300 pounds of clamping force with a movable clamp head that limits spread for quick, repeatable results. The clamp head can be positioned anywhere along the bar, and the removable, reversible head functions as either a clamp or a spreader. An integrated adapter ensures seamless compatibility with Kreg 300 Series, XL, and Micro pocket hole jigs. The ergonomic design with easy release trigger fits comfortably in your hand and prevents pinch points. Available in 6-inch, 12-inch, 24-inch, and 36-inch lengths, these clamps hold even tough-to-handle materials securely. They're used for fast, accurate clamping, assembly, and glue-ups in woodworking projects. A stable, flat workspace makes every project easier and more accurate. The Kreg Portable Work Surface provides an ultra-flat MDF platform designed for woodworking, DIY projects, crafting, and general use. Its small footprint helps you make the most of tight spaces, while the efficient setup lets you get working fast. GripMax anti-slip cords improve material holding, and the precision-machined 3/4-inch dog holes offer strong clamping versatility. 4-inch leveling feet provide extra clearance for cutting and clamping, ensuring your work remains steady and safe. An integrated carry handle doubles as a screw container holder, adding simple convenience when you move from place to place. It's used to provide a portable, stable, and adaptable work area for a wide range of projects. Sometimes you just need a simple way to build sturdy wood projects without complicated tools. The Kreg pocket hole jigs make that possible with a smart design that helps beginners and experienced builders work with confidence. The 300 series offers simplicity, versatility, and convenience, packed with features that guide you through each step. The jig, drill bit, driver bit, clamp adapter, and pocket hole screws give you everything you need to get started. The easy set thickness gauge, adjustable stop collar, and hardened steel drill guides ensure clean, accurate holes every time. Kreg pocket hole jigs are used for DIY wood projects, household repairs, and creating strong joints that look clean and last. Heavy plywood sheets can turn into a hassle if you don't have the right way to move them. The Kreg panel carrier solves that with a clamp lift go design that helps you carry plywood boards and large panels on your own. It grabs full 4x8 sheets securely from the top using large pads that adjust automatically from 0 to 3/4 inches. Each pad is covered with Grip Max material, which holds tight without damaging or marking the surface. Lift the ergonomic handle and the pads squeeze harder, giving you safe, steady control without hand strain. This woodworking tool is used to easily carry plywood and other materials without strain or damage, making panel handling simple and efficient. Tight joints and clean finishes are hard to achieve without a reliable way to drive screws. The Kreg Square Driver Combo gives you a sturdy, everyday set of driver bits built for smooth, controlled fastening. Each premium woodworking tool features a single-piece construction with magnetic tips that resist coming out and hold screws securely. This versatile driver bit combo set works with most drills that accept exchangeable bits and pairs perfectly with Kreg pocket hole screws and Kreg jigs for accurate joinery. It's also compatible with the Kreg Quick Change Chuck, making bit swaps fast and simple. Used for pocket hole joinery and general fastening, these premium Kreg tools help woodworkers bring ideas to life with confidence. Tight, reliable joints are tough to pull off without a tool that keeps the process fast and consistent. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip offers a simple way to drill a pilot hole, create a counterbore, and drive a Kreg screw using one dual action bit. This premium woodworking tool fits any drill, works with impact drivers, and features a two-sided design and a quick-release housing. One end has a pilot hole drill bit with a cutter for clean counterbores, while the other end holds a number 2 square drive bit for smooth screw driving. Used for attaching false fronts, face joining corners, and many other tasks, this versatile multi-purpose carpentry tool delivers strong, long-lasting joints with ease. Clean, accurate cuts are tough to achieve when you're freehanding long lines on plywood or MDF. The Kreg Accu-Cut saw track turns an ordinary circular saw into a track-guided cutting system built for straight, splinter-free results. This premium woodworking tool uses a precision guide track, anti-slip strips, and an anti-chip edge to keep everything steady without clamps. The universal sled accepts most circular saws and locks them into the grooves so each pass stays true. Whether you're making crosscuts, rip cuts up to 48 inches, or angled cuts, the Accu-Cut delivers quick, predictable accuracy. It's used for breaking down large sheets cleanly and reliably on any job site or workspace. Accurate, evenly spaced hardware is essential for a polished look on cabinets and drawers. The Kreg Hardware Jig delivers professional-grade precision with a heavy-duty aluminum design built for flawless knob and handle installation. This adjustable hardware template fits, pulls from 1 3/4 inches to 12 inches center to center, making it versatile for kitchen drawers, furniture, and custom projects. A laser etch scale and movable end stop ensure consistent, repeatable hole placement, while the steel-guided drill tool simplifies setup and positioning. Quick and user-friendly, this multi-size pull installation jig is ideal for both beginners and professionals. It's used to install knobs and cabinet handles with consistent, accurate results every time. Achieving precise 90-degree and 45-degree cuts on boards can be challenging without a proper guide. The Kreg Portable Crosscut transforms your circular saw into a guided cutting system for professional quality results anywhere. Retractable cut line indicators help position the guide precisely, while the GripMax anti-slip surface holds boards securely. A saw support ledge keeps the saw base stable at the start of each cut, and it accommodates boards up to 8 inches wide. Compatible with nearly any circular saw, left or right blade, and built from impact-resistant polymer, this tool delivers reliable, accurate crosscuts with ease. It's used to make clean, precise cuts quickly and confidently. Working on projects can be tricky without a stable, elevated surface. The Kreg Multipurpose project blocks offer a versatile solution, elevating workpieces to make finishing, routing, sanding, clamping, cutting, and painting easier. Retractable painting points lock in place for finishing, while GripMax surfaces hold both the blocks and your material securely. Each set of 4 blocks can support up to 200 pounds, providing clearance for routers, clamps, and sanding. Hex-shaped design prevents rolling, and the 1.5 inches elevation matches a 2x4 thickness for sheet cutting. These durable multifunctional blocks simplify project setup and workflow, making them essential for professional and DIY woodworking tasks. Creating strong, reliable joints requires screws that combine durability and precision. The Kreg Zinc pocket screws are premium 1 1/4 inch coarse thread screws with maxi-lock heads designed for softer materials. Their square drive design ensures easy driving without slipping, while flat bottom heads provide a tight, secure fit. These self-tapping screws draw pocket hole joints together without the need for pilot holes, and their case-hardened construction resists stripping, while soft cores prevent snapping. A protective zinc coating adds corrosion resistance, making them suitable for a wide range of indoor projects. Engineered for precision and ease, Kreg Zinc pocket screws help woodworkers achieve strong, accurate, and long-lasting connections every time. That wraps up our list of 20 must-have Kreg tools that can help you work faster and get cleaner results. If even one of these makes your projects easier, it was worth the watch. Thanks for joining me. If you want more guides, tool picks, and project ideas, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.